What's up, Carefree Scooter fans? I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, but I've been waiting on parts to arrive, and now that we got a bunch of new parts, let's get right into it. So a bunch of new parts. What we're going to do is we're going to start off with putting on a new exhaust. So I went ahead and taped this side of the wire, and what I'm going to do now is go ahead and just tuck this up in beside the gas tank, zip tie it, and really get it secured out of the way.
Klappat hakten alla fullfest hela dagen. Lite mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Små på stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är fullfest hela dagen.
So there it is. I got all the wiring tucked up through here, zip tied. Got the new exhaust on. Looks pretty decent. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like. That'll be just about it for the end of this video. Hope to see you around for the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and keep scooting.